This is part 2 of how to solve Rubik's Cube. So, the third step is the second layer. So, we need to insert these edges in the other places. So, if we wanted to insert this, the red and green edge piece, then we turn it one time to the other side. So if red is here, you need to turn it over here, because if you turn it on red, it's going to be tilted. So if you put this over here, you need to do this. And then you get a pair of these two. And then you insert it like this. R, U apostrophe, R apostrophe. So you inserted one edge piece, and you need to do that to all of them. So for example, I have the blue and red edge piece, which is over here. And so blue is over here, and the facing is red, so we need to turn it to green, because the opposite of blue is green. And then you need to turn this up, and then you'll create the pair. Then you turn it and do the R, U apostrophe, R apostrophe. And here's another way to do it. So you just have to turn it to like this side, and you keep, if you want to do it slowly, you can just do this. So you can just do the R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, or L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U, and keep doing that until you see a pair. And then you can use the method to insert it. And we do this too. And then next we need to complete the top cross, the yellow cross. There are 3 situations on getting the cross. So first, if you have this triangle, you need to face it like this. It should be like this, and then you do a wide F and do the R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, and then you get a cross. And another one is the line. So you just have to do the same algorithm, but with just an F. So F, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. And then you get the cross. And the third case, which is called the dot, looks like this. So there is just a dot in the middle. And this is where you have to do both of the algorithms. So first you need to do the line algorithm, which is F, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. And then you turn this up, and then you get the triangle. So you do the triangles algorithm. So wide F, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. And then you get the cross. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.